omunim New York there womunim eyi ko America popular yi pa eyi for ba say enkrofo am ye diplomat ne ade ba ho na usually no omukrofo buku mo that is where one ne enkrofo 6 ne kodai eno ye edan a wo mo bedamu keke car no mo be use for 3-4 weeks now wo mo call ho so wo mo koye investigation no eno come my. And I'm talking this hard body Chevrolets and these big American cars. You know how much they cost to rent per day, keke. Here we are. One more new call you ni na ni etu per diem. And sana ye sign mom allowance. The other better shirt ya she. The AB or no job to be or the better job to anum. Ne no so come. And for $200,000, the special prosecutor Olontoyo Kissi Agyabeng spent taxpayers' money of $800,000. Kissi Agyabeng, if you're a man, bring it on. You know, I told you, say, I'll be talking, but I will talk after the election. I told you, one of the make a trem. Remember what you told me about Airbus? You told me it's not something you are looking at. But you came outside and had the press conference say, Airbus, can the awoke Kissi Agyabeng investigating on. So okay, it's me, Felix Appiah. Yeah, the same stubborn guy, it's me. Look at me well. Yeah, the guy you said you will give me a tour of the office if I come so that I see how you have turned the office nice and you have made the, fine, it's there. And I better just say, and this is for propaganda, Cecilia da Peria Yesika, no. First, OSP Nankasa Beka say, after spending all that money and exhausting taxpayers' money, no, on one casa de oni sebio bibi obe to me dear hold Cecilia da pa down. And untino or refer matter no more dia ma yoko. Na yoko ashemu say money laundering bi wo mu a. Me pacho yoko so ba ye no. Yoko said there is nothing to look at. Now, the report of the FBI gets leaked. They were not ready to release it too. They catch them. The special prosecutor's office, they were not ready to release that. We had to leak that document. FBI now someone cafe Cecilia Dapan say Cecilia Dapan Bonibia Cecilia Dapan first Kebiana. There is nothing that ties Cecilia Dapan to sa allegation. They try to shelve it and keep it. But now it's out, and I'm glad it came out. And Koda Egu Agono do Ben Brakwa. Anopay. Eye aduane a wo mu bedi, wo mu nya bi. Utie. Aduane ankoda ne benya no wo mu nya bi o. Nanso yetumi nya special prosecutor ene ne nkrofo e go spend 800,000. 800,000. Say they cost 200,000 more. Our country is a sick country. Ghana na yewono a sick country. And abededi. Na na Akufo-Addo ni nyame no eye adwuma. Etuatua NDC for kan 10 krado do. Mensusu ni sei. Na minim say aketua ne beba. Na minim say ebebo na Nado dimpa, ba na minim say be ye ntem saa. Seriously. Yeah, Raz Media, big up. Me say, we never knew, say, Nado Nyankopon no, or the Naketu Yanabeba Temosa. Or say, Yanto play, yo, yes, Yanto play, yo, eh, na dear Grafwa Consuo, Jasam. Yanto play, yo, Okujato, or Yan the Saint Secro. No a bed now, no a me and a near say this can carry us 50 years. Now a sinner has a media medetiano, no a diatro, no a me and a near say the say, Sabi Belfua and a near. What me and a near say, This country is going down bad. And Akufo-Addo is spending the lavish lifestyle, the aircraft cost this, that per hour. And yes, Mahama, obey you. Utie. Mahama will have no choice but to use that airline. We are not buying no presidential jet. The presidential jet we have right now, it can carry us to 2085. Utie. Presidential jet ni kura say no. Ebe to me the yako tienie 2085 because aviation expert okujato kakawure wure aburokwa a ne se asekro an me se ne se odi aya ka jan se omienu ka jan se omienu anum na he ye de na akọdent se atwi ne se atwi jimienti akọda isi ampoda we be di minister we be di MP still akọda ye ntumi antwitwi ne se na ni na kire okujato wo sano jimia na wa akọda no tiri ho akọda de anka wanya ne anopa sabi o satan no kura de ayi toothbrush ni ho enti no sabi ayi duawe ya yare de eso duawa oba yen enkrafo yi mu a ta kocha ho ani abobo o de abo nsuom o de ato anum na o de achi o sefefefe uwi a wakodidi wo kuja to bro kwankwase ampa bra wo peso obebo wonyini be jimi na ho wo wi asinti wo de sabi enso usisi brode ede enso bomu ma no wonyi fenkotwi ne se a okwa no wa cheda akoto ato aduaye na chi ho na wogina face na that time no ni jimie they said the oyeye no no odwen se wo yo maame ye ka se yento plane okuda to se da bi no odwen se wo ye na nado ene de ne nkrofo na ewuo yo no wo so ana befo enti wo mo ana bewuo utie wo mo ana bewuo na ende me o video bi a eno ena me de be ye me last yi na mama Ghana fo ehu who ma me kan wa people came to insult me. You people don't know, you don't know Mahama. Munim how dangerous that guy is. Mahama. Munim how we are say idea who pan will be all serena all wall second. You people don't know Mahama. Munimuno. Munimuno. Okuja top brokwa sa ena hey chusio Sami ever dula chichi was first. Oh Sami dudula or didn't dudu vami do or didn't do sa kwasia sebio sebe time wa ba says niama kosono obeba no na sebio okuja twa blokwa debia mami bi ton ko bi ne nsesawa ne ade wo debia no akowia bi wo soma ne se won kota ade ane wa fa ko bi a hye ne botom enti anadwuna obi ada no wo hye sebe jare ho na otutu ko obi no wa se kwakudan otutu ko obi na ayeden awe na obi say you are just pain, get over your defeat. Okay Bobby onkwasi asem we wo trim na nema me mma wani enda ho yan ya wo MPP me Felix Appiah